Hi guys, it's me again and welcome back to my channel. So for today's video, I decided that I would do like my first proper Halloween look. Like I've done one before, but it was really basic and I thought today I would actually do a proper Halloween look. But there's a twist. Because I don't do Halloween looks, I don't think I'll be good at it. I thought I would follow Nicole Guerriero'S last minute Halloween look, Easy Glam Skull. This look here, she uploaded this a few days ago, and as I was watching it I was like, this seems pretty easy, like I could probably do this. So I thought I should try and follow her tutorial to see how easy it really is, and if I can do it then anyone can do it, because trust me, I have no faith in myself at all when it comes to Halloween looks. So yeah, that's enough talking. I really hope I've explained what I'm going to do in this video, and yeah, let's just get started. Hi guys, so in her video she does her foundation first, so I'm just going to do my foundation first. The foundation I'm going to use is the LA Girl Pro Coverage HD High Definition Foundation in the colour Fair, and I'm probably not going to talk through this just because it's a basic application of foundation. Okay, so once she's done foundation, she does her brows and then eyes. I'm actually going to do concealer and then eyes. She does do concealer after, but I feel like I need to do concealer first and then do my eyes. And the concealer that I used was the Makeup Revolution Conceal and Define Concealer in C3. And now I'm just blending this out with a beauty blender. So now I'm going to set using my RCMA No Colour Powder. I'm going to set my eyelids as well. I really wasn't meant to do that, but I've done it now. Now she's going into eyes, and she's using the Desi and Katie Dose of Colours palette. I don't have that, or I might do. Coming up in a haul soon. Okay, let me just stop being so cheesy. So the palette I'm going to use is the Jaclyn Hill and Morphe palette, and the first colour I'm going to go in with is this colour here, and I'm just going to take this into my crease. She keeps her eyeshadow pretty rounded, so I'm going to try and do the same. The reason why I'm not going to pop up her video on my actual video is I don't know how to do that. I've tried to figure it out and I really do not know how to do it. Just know I am watching it. She's right here. Does anyone else think of like Halloween looks and vlogs when they think of Nicole Guerriero? Now that I've done that colour, I'm going to go in with this colour here. I really don't know what kind of look I'm going for, but I'm just doing a look. So now with a smaller brush, I'm going to go in with this colour here. And the brush I'm using now is the 224 by Zoeva. So for my lid, I'm actually just going to like put face powder. I'm kind of not bringing it on my actual lid. So now in this part of the video, she actually used like cream contour. I'm not going to do that. I'm just going to bronze my cheek with my Physicians Formula Butter Bronzer. Okay, so now we're starting the skull. She's using a watercolour and the first thing she's doing is drawing a line from her eyeliner down to her cheeks and then rounding it off, and then one from her lips and rounding it up to meet the one from her ears. Okay, so she's done the line and she says like, don't worry about going over the line because you're going to put eyeshadow there. This looks nothing like her line, but we're going to continue doing it. I look like an idiot right now. So I'm going to do this side. It's hard because I've got so many spots on that side. My skin is so textured. Okay, so we've done the lines and now let's see what she's doing. She's like thickening her line up and getting it how she wants it to look. Which is hard because I don't know how I want it to look. So now she's bringing this down, but obviously she used a cream paint. I used an eyeliner. So what I'm going to do is get the Jeffree Star Weirdo liquid lipstick and do the line with this and then drag it down. And hopefully that works. This is terrifying, can I just say. She's done it quite thin here, but oh well. She's bringing the black down, and then she's going to use a brown, the same brown she used for the eye. I'm obviously not going to do that. I'll use a brown. So now that I've tried to move the eyeliner as much as I could, it's not really moving anymore. It is a matte liquid lipstick, so it won't really budge as much. I think I messed up here a little bit in here, but whatever. So now I'm going to go in with this black eyeshadow, and then I'm going to go in with this one as the brown that she used. Now with this brush, I'm going to go in with this brown here and mix the black and the brown together. This is not looking great. I'm looking like an idiot. Her lines are really like sharp. Like this is not a situation that she's got going on right now. So that's fine. I'm going to have to clean this up. So now I'm going to go in with this one here and try and lighten it, like bring it down a little bit. This is looking ridiculous. Okay, I've just made this a little bit sharper and bigger. Not bigger, but taller, just because it's more matching this one now. So in her skull, you can see that this line on her lip is like not like this. So what I'm going to do is get a wipe and kind of wipe this away. I will be wiping my foundation off, but that's fine. Now with a fluffy brush, I'm going to go in with this colour, and I'm just lightly going to blend this down. I think my mistake was where I was going quite rushed with it. I'm just going to go lightly to blend this down. And I'm going to stop like right here. So I'm just going to keep building this up with the brown and try to diffuse that line as much as I can. And now with the powder, face powder, I'm just going to go over this a little bit. Just try and diffuse the edges. Honestly, I don't think this is going to get any better than it is right now. I feel like I messed up where I went with the black and I brought it down too much. If I would have just left the black where it was and then just blended it with a brown, it would have been like a smaller line, where now it's quite a big line. But she did say you can bring it down as much as you like. I obviously went ham with that and brought it halfway down my face. Yeah, I'm not loving this part, if I'm honest. I don't really like how this is looking right now. I feel like if I try to blend this out further, I'm gonna go crazy. And if you could see the mess that I've got right in front of me, it's actually a joke. So I'm gonna just move on. She did more like brown here, so I'm gonna use the same kind of brown that I did for my cheeks on my forehead. Please don't ruin my look. So I'm using the same brown that I did for my cheek, this brown here, and I'm just going on with that around my temples and trying to blend this out as much as I can. I literally look like a joke right now. Now with a face powder, I'm just going to go in my like middle of my forehead, just because I brought it down too far. She also did this in her video. Okay, so now she's doing the lines. And for the lines, I'm actually going to go in with shadow first. And a really small brush, just so I don't muck this up. I'm going to go in with the brown that I used earlier. And just literally copy her. Not everyone can be Nicole Guerriero. So now she's doing the nose. Great. I'm just colouring this in first with the actual eyeliner, and then I'll outline it. Nose, done. It doesn't look like I filled it in, but it is properly filled in. For my lips, because now she's doing the lines, but she said she should have done the lines after her lips. So for my lips, I'm going to use the NYX lip liner in Sugar Glass. So now she's just doing the bottom of her eyes and the rest of her eye look. So I'm going to go off camera, do mascara, do my lower lash line, my brows, and then I'll be back. Okay guys, so I'm back. So as you can see, I've done mascara, I've done my bottom lashes, and I also added a highlight to my cheeks, the top of like this line here, and in between my teeth. So now for the rest of the look. She's gone in with like actual diamonds, like fake diamonds. I don't have any, so I'm going to use gold and silver liner. So I'm going to go in with the silver in my inner corner. And I'm doing this quite messily because I am going to blend this out. And with a small brush, just blend it. Might add some gold on top of that. Okay, so she put some on the top of her brow. So I'm just going to do like a really thin line. So I've added it to the line, and that way it kind of makes the line look thinner. I added some gold to my nose, kind of like a highlight. Then I'm going to add it to the bridge. She does add contacts. I do not have any contacts. So this, guys, is the finished look. I like it so much better now. And I'm so proud of myself for not quitting. I was so close to quitting. I was getting so frustrated with it. But I'm so happy I didn't quit. I do like it. I wish that I did have like rhinestones to add. But I actually prefer it kind of with the glitter. And yeah, I'm so happy I didn't quit because I was so close to, especially on this part here. It was so hard. It's still not perfect. It's still not the way I would want it. I would want it to be like really blended, but I don't mind how it looks. And yeah, guys, this is the look. This is my recreation of Nicole Guerriero'S Easy Glam Skull. For me, this look wasn't easy. Compared to other Halloween looks, yes, it is easy. But for me, this wasn't easy just because I've literally never done anything like this. I haven't practiced. This is the first time I've ever done anything like Halloween-y. Halloween-y is not a word. So yes, for my first time, I'm really proud of it and I'm really happy with the way it's come out. I really hope you enjoyed this tutorial. I've definitely learned some stuff about like Halloween looks, and maybe next year I'll do some more. Probably not. Who knows? But yeah, guys, I really hope you enjoyed this tutorial. If you have, please remember to give me a thumbs up, some comments down below. Subscribe if you haven't already, and I'll see you next time. Bye, guys.